How to write Python Excel files for instant reports. Are you curious about how to create Excel files using Python for quick reports? You are in the right spot. Let's break down the steps you need to follow to get started. First, you will want to choose a library that suits your needs. The three most popular libraries for writing Excel files in Python are XlsxWriter, openpyxl, and xlwt. Each has its strengths, so let's look at them briefly. XlsxWriter is perfect for creating new Excel files with features like formatting, charts, and formulas. It works with Excel 2007 and later versions. If you need to modify existing files or create new ones, openpyxl is a great choice. It allows you to read and write Excel files easily. Lastly, xlwt is mainly for older Excel file formats, specifically those from Excel 97 to 2003. Once you have chosen a library, the next step is to install it using Python's package manager, pip. You can do this by running commands in your terminal. For example, to install XlsxWriter, you would type pip install XlsxWriter. For openpyxl, use pip install openpyxl, and for xlwt, type pip install xlwt. Now that you have the library installed, you can create a workbook and add worksheets to it. A workbook is your Excel file, and worksheets are the tabs within that file. You can write data into specific cells by specifying their location. You can use either row and column numbers or Excel-style cell references like A1. For instance, if you want to write hello in cell A1, you can easily do that. To make your reports look more professional, you can format the cells. This includes changing fonts, colors, and adding borders. While formatting is optional, it can greatly improve the readability of your reports. After you have written all your data and applied any desired formatting, the final step is to save your workbook. You will want to give it a meaningful file name, like reportel.xlx. Let's look at a simple example using XlsxWriter. You start by importing the library and creating a workbook. Then you add a worksheet and write some data. For instance, you can write a report title, date, sales, and expenses. Once you finish, you close the workbook to save it. If you prefer using openpyxl, the process is similar. You import the library, create a workbook, and write data to the active sheet. The syntax is straightforward, and you can save your file just like before. One of the best parts about using Python for this task is the ability to automate report generation. You can integrate these steps into your scripts to create reports from various data sources like databases or CSV files. This means you can generate daily, weekly, or on-demand reports without any manual effort. Remember, when writing data, rows and columns are usually zero-indexed in code. Cell references like A1 correspond to the first row and first column. You can also create multiple worksheets within a single workbook, which is handy for organizing data. By mastering these steps, you can efficiently create Python scripts that generate Excel files for instant reporting. This makes presenting data clear and accessible, allowing you to focus on what matters most.